Today we are going to explain our model sewage treatment plant, and the sub-theme of this model is waste management. As we all know what wastewater is, so we are going to explain that how do we treat sewage wastewater and then it can be reused.
So, our first step is receiving chamber, which receives wastewater from this sewage tank, and its most important work is to transfer the water continuously in other chambers.
Then water comes in screening chamber. Here we see a bar screen where the large objects like pipe, woods, polythene bags, etc. they can be separate. And due to gravitational force, the heavy particles like grit and pebbles are settled down.
Then water comes in skimming tank. In this tank, we see a fan which produces high air pressure in upward direction. Due to this pressure, oil and grease which are present in this water are surfaced up and can be separated mechanically.
Then water comes in primary sedimentation tank. Here we separate that tiny particle which take time to settle down like soil. So as this process takes some time, so we use cap here to stop the flow of water and tiny particles should be settled down.
Then water comes in aeration tank. In this tank, we see a fan which produces high air pressure in downward direction. Due to this pressure, bubbles forms. These bubbles help anaerobic bacteria to grow and do their work efficiently. And their most important work is to digest human and animal waste.
Now water comes in secondary sedimentation tank. Here we separate those left, or we can say fine particles, which cannot be separated by all these processes. So they can be separated in secondary sedimentation tank. To make it easy, we use alum here because alum attract fine or left particles easily and fastly.
Then water comes in disinfection tank. In this tank, water looks clean, but there are harmful bacteria which are not good for our health. So we add some chemicals like chlorine or bleaching powder to make water free from these harmful bacteria.
Yes. Now water comes in distribution chamber. Still, this water is not good for our health. So we transfer all this treated water in natural water bodies. Yes, we can see control room here. The use of control room is that this all processes are controlled by only this room.
The scientific principle of this model is based on different techniques will be used for different impurities at different stages.
And the application of this model is that we should not transfer sewage directly into natural water bodies, as it is harmful for both human and animal. We can say aquatic life. This is a process sewage treatment plant which treats sewage before reaching into natural water bodies. Sewage treatment is also called wastewater treatment because it includes wastewater from our industries, restaurants, etc. It can be applied at every places where large amount of wastewater is produced. Thank you. Let's see how it's work.